Hello, so I'm going to walk you through how to do your area of a irregular figure. As you can see, I already have the steps. I'm going to work you step by step how to do it. So they started with giving us this orange W looking shape right here with the dimensions 20, 10, and 10. Notice how the first thing I did was to break it into shapes that we're already familiar with, that we already know the area formulas for. So I would say rectangles, squares, or triangles. So I broke it using these lines right here. I have rectangle 1, and then I broke it again right here, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3. And as you know, rectangle formulas are always area equals base times height. So I'm going to focus on rectangle 1 first. So as you can see, my base is going to be 20, and my height is going to be 10. So I'm just going to write 20 times 10 gives me my area of 200. Remember, 200 just for rectangle 1. And I'm going to focus on rectangle 2, which is the one in the middle. So same thing, it's a rectangle, so I'm going to write area equals base times height. Remember rectangle 2, we're only focusing on this green line right here because that green line is the base. So I can say, well, okay, I know this entire line is 20. So because it's a rectangle, if that's 20, this is also 20. But as you can notice, the green line is not the full 20. So I can say that 20 minus what we have right here, 20 minus 10, I know that green line is going to be 10 centimeters. So I know my base is going to be 10. And since I'm also looking for my height as well, I can actually just look, well, if that's 10, that's 10, that's 10, that's 10, that's 10. So I know my height's going to be 10 as well. So I know 10 times 10 is going to give me 100. And then I focus on rectangle 3, and rectangle 3 and 1 are actually the same. I know the height is 20, the base is 10. 20 times 10, 200. So now that you have the areas for rectangle 1, 2, and 3, your final step you want to do is to add them all together. So 200 plus 100 plus 200, your total composite area of that entire rectangle, that entire regular shape is 500 centimeters squared.